Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, we are going to be decorating my planner from Plum Paper. So if this sounds like something that interests you, please continue to watch. All right, guys, thank you so much for returning. I'm so happy that you're here. Here I am, oh my goodness, decorating again in my Plum Paper planner. I am so excited. I initially said that I wasn't going to be sharing like this planner over on this page, but a lot of you guys really enjoyed that video and it kind of was fun last week decorating it. So I kind of want to do it again. So if you missed that video, it was so much in that video. It literally was putting the planner together. It had a happy planner rant, like give you my opinion. I'm going to say opinion of how this fall release is going, as well as at the end it had a plan with me. So it was a lot going on in that video. And I mean, that video hit 1,000 views like that. So if you missed it, go back and check that out. But here we are again. It is a new month. It is September. So it is the first week of September. So we are going to go ahead and just decorate it real quick. Now, don't worry. If you are here and you love all things Happy Planner, I have not jumped ship. I just want to, branch out a little bit and use a little bit of everybody. So you will still get, classic size plan with me's. You'll get mini. So like, don't fear. I have not completely abandoned ship, although some of you in the comments wanted me to. We're still here. We're still thriving and we're going to be doing a little bit of everything. So let me show you the two books that I have. I grabbed, because of course I have to like pay attention. And if you are not a Happy Planner user, which means you're using a different planner, you're probably using other people's sticker books as well. So I do want to make sure that I'm doing a variety. So I'll be using Wrong Rainbow Girls, along with Hell Plan's Favorite Florals. I picked this book up on Amazon. And the good thing about this is it was on sale. I want to say I probably got it for like, I don't know, $10, $12, something like that. I love Wrong and I love that she draws her own stuff. But for me in my pockets, these sticker books are a little expensive. So what I do is when I see them over on her page on Amazon, I add them to cart and I kind of just watch them. And as they, they'll be $33, then they'll be 20 something dollars. Then you'll see it drop down. And when it drops down, your girls is going to go ahead and grab it. And that's exactly what I did. I also found another book last year that I think I got for like $8. So don't sleep on Wrong. And like I said, it is from her actual page over on Amazon. So like, don't sleep on it. If you feel like it's not in your budget, just make sure you keep watching for it. So these are the florals that I picked out. I feel like they're really pretty. I'm going to come in a little so you can see them. I am going to go with that. And I kind of want to, if you're not familiar with Rainbow Girls, it's literally like every color doll and colorway that you can think of. I think I wrote it down. If you buy this book, you're going to get 73 dolls. So this is right up my alley to have a variety. And I think I want to go with this girl right here. I don't know if you guys can see her. I think she's super cute. And her sundress. And the reason I'm picking that is because I'm in Virginia. The weather is really weird. Like we have really cool nights and the days are still super hot. We don't know how to dress. And I feel like you can still get away with a sundress. So that's why I'm going to pick that one. So let me figure out where I want her to go. Monday was a holiday. I did not do too much. This is my social media planner. So I kind of really need these boxes. So I might be able to get the girl on the planner right there. I did see her again, and I just want to make sure the other one is not like smaller, but it looks like she might be the same. This one is paper. The other one is on clear. And because my florals are on paper, I'm going to go ahead and stick with paper. So we're going to move this out the way. Can you guys see? Yes, you can. I kind of feel like I want her to go like right here. And then I want to do some florals. Let's see. Grab my scissors. Hold on. Hold on. Let's do this one. And if I'm out of frame, I'm sorry. I'll be right back in frame. Don't worry. I don't necessarily need that calendar. I could decorate along the bottom. This is kind of cute. Make sure I have just one. And this is real time, so like I'm making like real decisions. I don't have anything laid out in advance. Could do, trying to debate. I maybe want to do something like that. I'm trying to see how big these stickers are. There are little curved stickers, so maybe that could work in the corner that's closest to where the disc punches are, so that I don't have to like constantly pull out my hole punch. I don't mind, but like I don't want to do it if I don't have to do it. I don't really care too much about the calendar. It's kind of cute. Let's do something right there. Hold on, did I do that? Is that upside down? And let's see if I can pull this up without destroying the paper. As I'm already ripping it. Hang on. Yeah, you know what? It's going to stay upside down because I'm going to tear that up worse than it needs to be. Let's see, this is kind of cute. That is this one. I like this one. And don't worry, sometimes I just pull out stickers. They just stay stuck to my finger until I end up putting them away. Let's try cutting. I actually like that a lot better. Let's see. Maybe I'll cut this one. And I'm still trying to find my way with this planner. Like I still am trying to figure out what works, what I like, what I don't like. All right, let's cut that. And so even if it's just a little bit of decorations, like I love seeing things that are like super pretty. And when they're pretty, I want to use them. So like that is what I'm trying to do. Let's see, maybe I can put like this just on the side. I kind of feel like I'm going to do some surgery. We're going to try to get this sticker up. I'm going to try it again. And I know there's like stuff I can use, but I don't have that. So we're just going to slowly take our time and peel it up. Y'all, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I refuse to let you guys see that sticker embarrass me. Like, I'm not gonna allow it. So I went ahead and I fast forwarded it. As you can tell, I'm not gonna raise it up so you can, you know, clown me and make fun of it, but I definitely tore up the sheet. So we're going to try our best to cover it up. You can tell it kind of took off some of the lines, so y'all act like y'all don't see it, okay? Because that's exactly what I'm gonna do. We're gonna put that there. We're gonna add another. We're gonna cover that up. Don't you worry. We're gonna cover that right on up. We're gonna go back to this orange section. I don't know why this is in here. And we are going to find, it was like a super cute purse that I liked. Okay. We're gonna add that purse right over top of it like it never even happened. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're also going to use these sunglasses that I'm tearing up. We're gonna do that like over there. Okay, so now the mistake is covered. Let's see what else there is that I can use. There's a cute little candle and some earrings. They're on clear. So let's grab both of those and go from there. Let's see. I do right up here. Maybe I can do, let's see. Trying to debate. Maybe I can do the earrings right here. And I still want to use my stats because I did not use it last time. But we'll put this little candle right there to kind of tie all of the items in together. I feel like, I wish there was maybe like some burgundy or something in here that I could go ahead and tie everything in together. So let's look at that. And it might be the last item that I go ahead and add to the spread. So just bear with me. There's a chapstick. I kind of think it's cute. Maybe I can do that by like Friday. Like that. Like, I really love like all the little items that go along with the spread. There was one, I kind of feel like I want something in this box. Where is that sticker book that I just took down? Hang on for just a second. I have the Mojo Jojo uncensored quotes. I like this chaos coordinator that's in here, because I do feel like that is my life, that I am a chaos coordinator. I don't know if it's going to be too big or not. So let's take a look. Oh, that's cute. All right, give me a second. I want to make sure I don't cover it up. I'm just going to be out of frame for just a moment. There we go. That is super cute. All right, we're going to pop her back in our planner. And we'll wrap up this video. It's very like plain, but like cute. And I really like it. Tell me below, what do you guys think? Are you feeling this? Do you have a plum planner? Like I said, it's very, oh, hold on y'all. I just realized I have to hole punch. So let me do that real quick. I use the Happy Planner hole punch. If I can get it up in there. Hang tight. Actually, no, I'm gonna do my crocodile. It's just a single hole. So yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and pop that up in here. And tell me what you guys think. I think it is super cute. And we'll go from there. Like, oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Like, I love that so much. So I just want to thank you all for spending some time with me today. Don't forget, come on over to Instagram if you haven't already. My name is Change of Plans with Angie. Go ahead and hit that follow button and let's be friends. You can DM me and chit chat with me. I love that over there. We have such a great time. Also, my store, which is Essential Joy, I'll put that down below along with the link to my Etsy shop. Well, you know, feel free to click on that and browse and see what's over there. And of course, while you're over here on YouTube, if you have not hit the subscribe button already, go ahead and hit that button. Let's be friends over here as well. So I just want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.